Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Animaker. With the help of Animaker, we can create different types of animations and we can give the effect also. So this is the software that is known as the Animaker. With the help of this, we can create 2D animation. If you want, then you can convert it in 3D animations also. So first of all, we are going to learn with a free trial one. So we will create here for free one. So we will click on this, create for free. When I will click here, then the processing will come. As the processing will complete, then one dashboard will be opened. And with the help of this dashboard, you can create different types of animations. Going to start. So first of all, as you can see here, some dashboard, my projects shared with me, favorites, some options are here. And some options are also here like social media, subtitle, my tools. आपको जो भी इसमें से चूज करना है, you can choose that one. इससे क्या होता है, ये रेडीमेड टेम्पलेट्स हैं जो आपको बने बनाए मिलेंगे, आप इसमें जाके चेंजेस कर सकते हो. तो अभी फिलहाल मैं क्रिएट पे क्लिक करती हूँ. ब्लैंक प्रोजेक्ट से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. सपोज मुझे अपना प्रोजेक्ट बिल्कुल फ्रेश स्टार्ट करना है. टेम्पलेट की हेल्प से तो इजी रहता है, हम उसमें चेंज कर सकते हैं. बट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इट फ्रेश. सो वी विल क्लिक हियर ऑन क्रिएट अ वीडियो. When we will create a video, then one more page will open. In this page, again, you will get few templates. If you want, you can choose that one. Otherwise, just simply click here on blank project. Otherwise, you can choose explanation, LED, cartoon HR, invite, wishes, any template you can use. So here we are going to create a blank project. These are the sizes of the projects: horizontal video, vertical video, and square video. बिकॉज नॉर्मली सोशल मीडिया पे केवल यही 3 पेजेस चलते हैं. आप इन 3 पेज में से किसी एक पेज पर वीडियो रेडी कर दो. देन आई एम गोइंग टू चूज हॉरिजॉन्टल वीडियो फर्स्ट वन. ध्यान रखना, हॉरिजॉन्टल वीडियो और जो आपका स्क्वायर वीडियो, पोर्ट्रेट वीडियो, रील, स्टोरी एंड पोस्ट के नाम से भी जाने जाते. सो जस्ट वेट फॉर 1 मिनट, लेट इट बी ओपन. और आज का जो हमारा थीम है, हम एक स्टोरी लेंगे, मतलब एक साइंस का प्रोजेक्ट रेडी करते हैं जस्ट लाइक अ सोलर सिस्टम, जिसमें एक लेडी डिक्टेट करेगी कि पीछे जो कुछ भी हम यहाँ पे मेंशन करेंगे उसमें कैसे कैसे क्या हो रहा है. Now you can see here many different types of character. Because right now we are using the free version, so we can't use this pro one. But as you will upgrade it, you can use this pro one also. Kids, animals, and all the characters are here. If you don't like these characters, then you can create your own also. How you can create your own? Just click here on create your own character. Then one more page will open and here many characters will come. I'm going to choose this female. Choose. And after that, different types of faces are here. As per your situation, as per your demand, you can choose the character. And when you will choose the character, then the skin color, hairstyle, face shape, eyes, all these things will become here. So you can choose the character style, dressing sense, and all these things. For example, I'm going to change her hairstyle. So I will click here on hair, and then as I will click, her hairstyle will become changed. You can change her threading, nose, lips, earrings, and etc. Whatever you want, you can apply. You can change her dress. If you want to change the foot, you can change her pant, shoes, goggle, cap. All these things are here. So it's depend on your choice. Suppose you want that she will wear some bracelets or necklace, then you can choose that one also. So here I'm going to show you the outfit. And I want that she will wear this one. So I choose this one. After doing this, you just save the character as I'm typing here, Rosie, and save. After saving this, you just continue with editing. Click here, back to project. Then you will come back to your project one. After that, first of all, we will choose one background. And for choosing the background, firstly let it be open. Let's wait for 30 seconds. Yeah, now it has opened and you can see your character is here. Now I just want to choose the background. So in the first background, we will click here on BG. And one option is there, generate BG using AI. You just click here, type your prompt and your BG will be generated. In place of this, you will get some more backgrounds here also. So I'm going to choose this background and I just want to match the title. So come to text and I'm going to type here take this one and just type here solar eclipse, just for example. After that, you can just come here. If you want, you can change the color. If you will click on edit text, you can change its style also, which is the yellow color if you want, and you can change it in green color. You can increase the size. Now after this, I just want to apply here animation. I want one hand will come who will write it down. So for this, I will come on animation. With the help of scroll bar, scroll it down. And I'm going to choose handwrite. And I'm taking this one. And also, I just want to make it little bit slow. So this is the way by which you can make it slow. And after that, all these things will come. Click on overall timeline. I have made my animation till here, but the background is very large. So just cut the scene. I'm going to cut the scene till here. So I'm going to show you one preview. When I will click here, then it will come like this. Okay, but it is looking very simple. I want to add here music also. So come here on music. You can upload your music also, but for now I'm taking this so it memories. And here, this is the volume option. You can make the volume slow also. You can make the volume high. So I just make the volume slow. Now, when I will play it, fine. So our first scene is ready. After that, I will click here on this plus option. And when I will click here on plus option, one more scene will come. And here I just want to take one video. For taking the video, what I will do? First of all, just look at here. The music has come till second scene. But I don't want to keep this music in the second scene. So just cut the music till the first scene. And how I'm cutting? Just place your mouse here and then just drag it to the back side. Now just click on this scene and again I'm telling you I want to add here one video regarding the solar eclipse. So if you want, you can upload, click on upload, and here you can upload your video, which one you want. You can download the video from Google, and if you have your own video, you can download that one, or you can choose from here. Okay. So right now I have this type of video. This is the video regarding the lunar eclipse. Okay, so let me take this one, solar. Now I just want to set it on the whole screen. So for this, I will do the right click on it and click here set as background. Now this video has set it down as a background. Come back to character. Now as I created this character, I'm taking this. Now I just want to set the action. Here you will see many actions are here. So I'm going to click here. So this action will come like this. If you want, then you can choose many actions are here. You can choose as per your requirement. Or if you want, then you can just type here talking. And then talking animations will come and you can choose that one. Suppose I'm choosing this. This is the action regarding the talking and showing. Okay. With the help of the dots, you can make it big or you can make it small also. Now I just want that the character will start speaking. So for this, I just want to take something regarding the solar eclipse. So I'm going to type here about solar eclipse. For this, you can use ChatGPT also. But for now, I'm choosing this one. Control C. Come back to your video. Click here on lip sync. How it will come? Firstly, click on the character. Then lip sync will come automatically. It is showing record voice. You can record the voice. You can use text to speech. Or if you have already any uploading, and you can upload your voice also. So now I'm going to click here on text to speech and going to paste here. It is showing for all categories. And this is female. If you want, then you can choose male also. The language is English. If you want, then you can use Hindi. And the name is Jonah, who will speak. You can choose anyone also. When I will click here, then you can see the preview that how it will speak. Now, as my video audio till here, so I just want to cut the scene till the audio. And also, I want that whatever she is speaking, that thing will be written here also. This is your choice, it's optional, but I'm telling you, click here on text. Just choose this one and do the double click on it and just control V. After that, I just want to change its color and I'm taking this one. And also I want to make it small. Now you can set it here, but it is looking very small. So let me delete it. I'm going to take this subheading. Yes, now it is better. And after this, I'm going to choose this one. Now I just do this one. So with the help of this, I can set it in a different paragraph. And with the help of the dot, I can make it now better than before. I'm going to set it upside. And again, I'm going to click on animation. Same animation I want to take the pen. And this is the speed of the animation. I just want to make the speed slow. So typing will come along the voice. Now I'm going to show you the both scenes. Let's click here.
A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, casting a shadow on Earth that either fully or partially blocks the sun's light in some areas.
As you can see here, we have made two scenes and both scenes are ready as per the title and the scene. So now if you want to make the video something like this, then you can continue with the next page. Here when we click on add scene, then the next page will come. And then you can do the same thing, upload the video text and take the corrector as we did right now in these two scenes. After that, when you want to publish it, click here on publish and you can download this video. If you have the pro version, then you can download this video very easily. Otherwise, you can record this video with the help of recorder, as everybody has recorder in your laptop. Right, so with the help of window R, your recorder will be open and you can record this video. So this video will be recorded in your laptop in a download folder. After that, you can also use that. And as you can see, this is the logo of Animaker. Okay, now I just want to hide this logo. So for this, what I will do, I can take any character, I can take any icon, I can upload any icon. Otherwise, suppose I'm going to upload one picture regarding the solar system. Let me check if I have right now. Okay, right now all GIFs are here. So suppose I'm going to take this one. And I just set this here. So this video will look much better if I will keep it here. Yes. Okay. And for hiding this logo, after when your video will be recorded, then it will be there in download folder. And after that, you just go to any other software like Canva. And in Canva, you can use some elements and then you can hide this Animaker part. Okay. So I think this video will be clear for you. Rest we will do in the next class. So stay with us. Till then, take care and bye-bye. मिलते हैं next video.